So for this one, you're just doing Zentangle. You're going to kind of be able to do whatever you want with this. If you would like to use colored pencils, if you fully finish, that's fine, but you need to make sure it's neat. I have a link here for simple Zentangle patterns. It'll take you to YouTube. This is what you'll see. If you need to, remember they've sped these up. Go slow. You're going to be doing this on a normal piece of paper, so it will kind of come out more like this. These were former projects I did. I'm just pulling them out because they have good Zentangle on them. So just have fun with it. Break up your background. So if you see I came in with a loop-de-loop, a wavy line, just have fun with it. These are more geometric, which is great. These are organic. So you can look up how to do organic Zentangle on YouTube too, as well. Like I said, break up your background. Give yourself set spaces that you're going to stop. But don't try to force things. Let it just kind of run off like it's filling the space, okay? You can pretty much do what you want. See, I put like a phrase here. I was going to do a city in this one. In this one, I just put my first name in bold letters across it and broke up my background and was doing Zentangle. You can pretty much do what you want as long as it is well done, it is neat, it is gone over with Sharpie in the end, and it has your first name, last name, and class or grade on the back. Remember, if you're using Sharpie, it bleeds through, so you're going to have to find a white spot and make sure I can read it. So just have fun with it.